morning, people of the internet. How we doing? So I'm Fasty-Rides. Welcome along today. If you're new to the channel, then welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, it's nice to have you along for the ride. So look where we are today. Lake Windermere. Look how beautiful it is. Absolutely gorgeous day. I thought I'd take a day off the work and come up and have a ride around. And we're going to do the Hardknott Pass today. I've never done it. It's on the bucket list, so I thought I'd tick it off while I can. And yeah, I just stopped off here. Got the drone up, as you've just seen. Here, it's absolute belter. Look at that for a limousine of the lake. It's gorgeous, isn't it? Absolutely gorgeous. It's not wood, it's GRP, but it looks cool. Anyway, so yes, today Hardknott Pass. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. How cool. Damn. So that's what we're into. So we're going to go do that. And then we're going to go up the Hardknott Pass. Right, so what a joke this is. Right, so that is working. So, this road up here is closed. So, but the sign should be up at the junction. And everybody's coming down here. They've just moved the signs now a few minutes ago. It's 2 people. Because a woman said that they could probably get through. I've had to turn about 8 people round here in this space here. So I've had to put the bike right up there like that on this shale. And I've got to get it out from there. What a bloody nightmare this is going to be. I reckon I'm going to go flying. But it has to be done, doesn't it? And hope nobody's behind me. Just ease it out bloody slowly. I reckon I can start turning now. Jesus Christ, what a bloody palaver that is. But now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through it. The woman on a bike says you can get through. Don't know why they've closed it. Okay. So that'll do me. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to head on out of there. But now we're just going to head up into the hills. It's getting too warm down here. Plus I want to get Hardknott done and then get my way around, stop somewhere, have some dinner maybe, or a drink, maybe a drink. Because I've already had a bacon butty. And then we'll do the rest of the little route, see what trouble we can get into. I think it'll be good to do Hardknott, unless it'll be plebs like this in front of you, stopping on every corner. Then that'll be a bloody nightmare. What time is it? 12 o'clock. Oh God, I reckon it'll be busy up there maybe. I don't know. I really don't know. Yeah, that's it. Also, I've had an email back from the exhaust manufacturer, and now they're saying the exhaust won't be with me until the end of August. And they put a snide comment in the end saying, as previously stated in the last email. Well, it doesn't say that in the last email. It says it'll be ready the second half of August. Well, as it's the 15th or 16th now, that means it's the second half. But yet, now they're saying it's the end. Well, I've decided if it isn't here if you haven't had an email from them saying, right, it's been sent and here's your tracking number by the end of this month, then I'm asking for a refund. Because they're taking the piss. And it's a lot of bloody money. I think if if it comes to it and I get the money back, then I'm going to get a Pipeworks, because they're half as cheap and they're made in the UK and they're off the shelf, which I should have done in the first place, but me being me wanted a certain one that not a lot of people have, and that's obviously why, because they can't get them. Jesus Christ, that was sketchy. Jesus. Right, back on the road. Fucking hell. That is mad. That is bloody mad. Let's close that up a little bit. Otherwise it'll sound like cack for you lads and lasses, maybe. I don't think there's any females that watch my videos. Oh, Kaylee, Grace, they might do. This is the only thing with lakes, the lanes are so bloody narrow and everything. Jeez. Oh. Ah, Wrynose, there we go, because Wrynose leads on to thingy thing. Wrynose Pass, and leads on to Hardknott. And apparently when we get to a little bridge, that's the start of it. Bloody hell, look at this. Oh, this is ace. That was close, wasn't it? The bloody road. So we're at Little Langdale at the minute. I've just had the drone up and cars and vans have been coming past and all sorts, so I'm in a bit of a funny position here. I think we're just going to go for it. A van went up not so long ago. About 5 minutes ago, so I'm just going to go for it, bugger it. Just going to have to be bloody careful. But this is the start of the Hardknott, apparently. But honestly, I've just been sat there and I've seen about 4 people just come flying round corner. Cars, mountain bikes, you name it. No motorbikers. Oh, this isn't Hardknott Pass. This is Wrynose Pass, this one. Hardknott. Oh, maybe this is Hardknott Pass. I don't know. Whatever it is. It's bloody cool, but there's a big dark cloud above me now, so it could rain, but I doubt it. See, look here. Somebody's just pulled up at side of the road and it's causing a thing already. I mean, if it's broken down, fair dues, but it's a bit of a dodgy place to stop. Oh, look at that black car up there going dead slow. And that's pulled over. Bit of a daft place to pull over like, but I mean, I suppose I am lucky that I've come up in the dry as well, because it'd be a different story if it were wet. Look at this. You beauty. There's some hard sections up here by the looks of it, very steep. Look at that down the valley. Bloody hell. Awesome. Beautiful. If I need to drop it into first, it's fine, but I very much doubt I will, unless this guy slows down.
My ears have just popped. God, it's gorgeous, isn't it? Now it's letting me pass. Now I gather we go down the other side. Oh wow, beautiful. Oh, he's going that way. Oh no, he's pulling over. Because he knows that this says it's unsuitable for light vehicles. Well, it's suitable for light vehicles and cars, but not vans, but he's doing it anyway. He don't give a fuck. Right, so I stand corrected. This is Hardknott Pass that we're going to now. Make sure my camera's running. Yes, it is. Look at it, it's gorgeous today. Bloody gorgeous. Going up or coming down, but oh, he's coming down. Right, okay then, so we'll have to be careful of him. Fine. This is more like it. I want to get to a nice straight where this guy is, or the guy's on the bloody little monkey bike or whatever he is. Easier. Back end felt squirrely then. I'm sure it was some sheep shit. Oh, sheep shit. Here we go, here's one. Easily done. Get your hand on that clutch ready, young man. Look at this. Jeez, stunning. We'll get further up and then we'll have a look back. Bunch of knobbers. I didn't want to get stuck on a corner with them three, because that'd be in trouble, wouldn't it? One person you can sort of squeeze around, I suppose, but three? Oh, I don't know. It's just adding more trouble, in it. Oh wow, I think we've done it. I think that's it. I can see the sea. Look at that for a view. That's beautiful, isn't it? Do you think we can park up somewhere? Maybe get the drone out? Look at this for a view. Isn't it beautiful? Simply stunning. Oh, I am glad that I came out today now. Got a hairpin here by the looks of it. I've got a couple. Can't believe there's a guy cycling up here. Bloody hell, is he crazy or what? Yeah, so we've done it. Wrynose Pass and Hardknott Pass. And we haven't done bad, have we, really? It's been sunny. I wasn't going to do it if it were pissing it down today. There's no way. It's just like coming right up this way just to do 2 roads and get absolutely wet through. Alright guys, I think that'll do it. I don't think we're going to get any more decent roads now. So thanks again for watching. Please hit that like button if you did like it. If you want to subscribe and see more content like this. Also leave a comment in the description. You know, just say which passes you like to do in the Lake District and stuff like that, or anywhere else, come and think of it. So until next time guys, peace out.